So we're going to put a desk and then change the color of the desk. Okay, so here's the room. I haven't quite finished it yet because I didn't have enough money, and so now I'm going to have to go back to work, and I stink, but that's fine because you can stink while working. So let's go back to work. Actually, let's use the toilet. There we go. Now we're starving, but okay. Let's wait till this stink bubble moves away and the flies go away, because I don't want to see that. I'm gonna drink a glass of water, and then I'm gonna brush my teeth. My teeth attract flies, so. And then I also gotta wash my hands. What? So now I'm gonna eat something since my hygiene is all the way up. Let's just take some of this garden salad and eat it. It goes into my eye. Okay, let's take another one. Take a portion. Eat it. Oh, that was the last one. Darn it. Oh well, that should bring. Okay, that was pretty good. Now let's go to sleep for a little bit. And I realized we also have to get some light switches. What? And a roof, apparently. Okay, so TV to get our fun up. We don't want to watch the news. We want to watch unicorns. I'm really interested in it. Okay, now this time I'm gonna be a janitor to see what the difference is on money, because I want more money, you know. And I'm actually really happy, and on janitor I'm on level 11. So you just clean up the trash that just appears. Oh my gosh, where's some trash? Wait, there's some trash. Okay. Clean it up. My broom goes through the trash. Amazing. And then we gotta go find some more trash. Let's clean this drink up. Bills. Bills are great. They help you with life. Now let's do the spray painting. We gotta clean up. Not even touching it. I'm cleaning the air because it needs cleaning. So far I've earned 130. That's pretty good. Okay, let's go over here. I knew there was gonna be a cup right there. There usually is a cup right there. So far we have had blue cups, like blue stuff that's inside of them. I don't know what this is. No, thank you. I do not want to go to your party. Okay, we gotta find some more trash. I don't see any. There's probably gonna be some. Oh wait, there's a spray paint. Blocks. There we go. Oh look, there's some trash. I'm gonna clean. Oh wait, let's do this. Hashtag BLOXBURG. Because it's a vandalism. Oh look, I'm energized for cleaning up trash. Now I'm cleaning inside the wall while flying. I'm amazing. Get some more stuff to clean. I'm still energized from cleaning trash. I already have $478. And then we've got some translucent stuff right here. It's translucent. Wow. Translucent water. Okay. So I made the same amount as I did last time, except $2 more. So that's pretty good. So let's go to my house. Or what shall we do? I don't know. Let's deliver one pizza. And see how good this will make us. Okay. What? Where'd it go? Oh my gosh. There. Okay. No, thank you. Okay. Is he gonna be all the way down here? Oh no, he's right here. Okay. Oh yes. Oh, I got promoted. What level am I on? Let's see what level am I on. I am on level 9. Yay! Okay, let's get another piece of pizza. Pizza. Okay, I'm so confused. Okay. Hopefully he'll be kind of close. Oh no, I don't like the people that are far away. You want pizza right next to the ice cream place, then get some ice cream, maybe. That'll make you not want pizza. I disappeared, you can't see my face anymore. Boo! Oh wait, I can't see where I'm going. Come on my face. Okay, we got another box of pizza. Where are we going this time? So now I'm gonna end my shift. Ooh, super close. And let's go to my house, because I don't know where it is, and I'm too lazy to walk. Okay, so now we're gonna turn the TV off. Wait, I thought I had to pay my bills. Oh, I'm not overdue yet. Okay, there we go. Now let's get into build mode, and let's do my house. Okay. So I finished the room now. Well, it's not really finished, but it's super duper close. Got all this cute desk. I just need to do some walls and a few extra decorations, and then we're done. Oh, thank you. Okay, so now we're gonna get my mood up, and we're gonna go back to work. So right now we're hungry. I don't know if I have enough money. I don't. So let's go here and let's go to the potty. I also need to add more decoration to this room, and I also need to add a shower and a few other things. Okay. Let's drink some water. Water's healthy, y'all. Drink water. Okay, let's brush our teeth now because teeth attract flies. Oh wait, what? It brings up our hunger? Oh, by 10%. Okay, we need one more. We need one more. Yay! Okay, now let's brush our teeth because our teeth attract flies. Okay. I have a red toothbrush. Ew. I like the little bubbles that it makes that go inside of my hand. Okay. So it looks like we're good now. Now we need to do something fun. Oh, I'm clean. Let's watch it. Okay. Now I need energy, so I'm gonna sleep in my daylight element. No! Okay, let's turn off the lamps. And we gotta turn off the one above us. The roof! Oh my gosh. I don't know how that happened. So it looks like... What side are we on of the pizza place? Okay, we're behind it. So let's go to... Da-da-da! And then we're gonna do a little bit of pizza. Okay. Burr, 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 burr. Look, there's some trash right there. See how much we get for cleaning up one piece of trash. $43! Wow, okay. Got some more blue juice. Got XD. I'm flying. Oh look, I'm flying in the air. So, boo! We're already up to 478, and we're about to go up 43 more. I'm flying. Oh, already? Okay. So I was about to clean that last piece of trash. Okay. Let's go do some pizza. Cositas. Complete the house. See how much we get for one person. He's over here. Is he gonna be next to the ice cream place? We should be able to pick up more than one pizza, so we don't have to go back and forth. Skills. Okay, now we gotta go back. 162. That's pretty good. We're on level 9. Yeah. I wanna go through him. Die. Die. Okay, that wasn't a lot, but okay. Now I think my house is over here. No. Okay, so I think, do we have builds? No, I don't have builds. So let's go to build mode, and we're gonna do some more of my room stuff. Okay, so this is not the final result, but so far the best of my house. I've got my room is almost done. I just need to do some wall things and put a computer right there. And the bathroom is done too. Just need to do some more wall things. So is the living room, just maybe a few pictures. And this room I haven't even started yet. But that is the end of this video. But before you leave, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.